The greatest danger at the time of turbulence is not the turbulence, but it is to act and think as per yesterday's logic. Because in this fast-moving world, the only thing that remains constant is change. So ladies and gentlemen, raise your hands if you are here for a change. That's a very good number. Well, as an accountant, we don't like much surprises. लेकिन अगर stipend में 1 0 extra add हो जाए तो वो किसे नहीं पसंद? Jokes apart, today I have something really interesting for you. It's a surprise that we all want to be prepared for. Picture this. Sitting in your office, staring at the computer screen, waiting for that report to open, it's deadline time, and on the worst, your coffee is getting cold. Frustrating, isn't it? And you are probably thinking there has to be another way. But what if I tell you there is another way? And that is known as quantum computing. Well, good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Syed, a proud CA final student, standing before you all to present my paper on the topic, quantum computing in finance and a futuristic view of the accountants. Don't worry, I'm not here to teach you physics. Instead, I am here to give you insights about how quantum computing will going to change our lives as an accountant and will make it more easier, simpler, and dare I say, bit more interesting. So buckle up for a journey where science will make finance in the most unexpected way. Now the very first question that might have come to your mind is why in this whole world we as an accountants we even care about system. I understand because whenever we hear or think about such technical topic, we relate it with those Silicon Valley guys. But here's the thing, quantum computing isn't just for tech experts. It's going to change everything that we do with the finances, and to be more precise, finance isn't just about numbers, it's the backbone of the economy. And our traditional systems are getting old. It's like using Nokia that is thus in the era of iPhones, where iPhone is a quantum computing, or let's say, the Tesla of our generation, faster, smarter, revolutionary. And we deal with also a lot of data from managing balance sheets, P&L, budgeting, that sometimes it's not possible for us to keep up. But with quantum computers, everything can be done with a blink of an eye. Seems interesting, isn't it? Now let us understand how this whole system works. Our traditional systems uses bits. Bits can be understood as light switches that can be either on or off. On the other hand, quantum computers uses qubits. Now these are magical light switches that can be both on and off at the same time. It's like I'm standing over here for my presentation and at the same time I'm sitting besides each one of you. That's the magic. That is known as superpositioning. Then there is entanglement. The qubits in quantum computing are so well connected that whenever there is a slight change in one part, the other part, no matter how far it is, instantly gets updated. It's like being in a long distance relationship. एक को तकलीफ हुआ, दूसरे को महसूस हो जाता है. Because of all this, quantum computers are actually able to process humongous amount of data in no time. That gives them quantum speed. Now, since we have got the basics of quantum computing clear, let us first understand what are the challenges faced by our current financial system. The very first being processing power. Imagine this, you are trying to solve a giant puzzle. You have got thousands of pieces, but your table isn't big enough to accommodate every single piece. That's the problem with our current systems. They are managing huge amount of financial data, but they are capable of processing them in chunks only, because of which sometimes the speed is very slow.